Let's keep riding the horse, folks. It has been a long day for me, in case you didn't know. So let's see what problem we've got to solve. This is our textbook. This is our question, okay? I'm not quite sure what question we're doing. Oh, we're doing exercise 5.28. And it is necessary for one to make sure that 5.28 is done before attempting 5.29, because the two, they are kind of related in some way, okay? So I dare you to make sure that you try this exercise. Didn't even read it through. Can you imagine how pathetic that is? Okay, write a program that prompts the user to enter the year and the first day of the year and displays the first day of each month in the year. For example, if the user entered 2013 and 2 for Tuesday, that will correspond to January 1, 2013. Your program should display that. Okay, so here's what I'll do. For the sake of minimizing time, I'll write some portion of this problem. I'll write them as I'm recording, and others I will simply pause the video and then do it, and then come back to you guys and explain what is it that I did. Okay, so basically what I did up to now is to create two variables to hold my day and my year, and I've also validated them. Okay, so here's what I want to do. I want to have day name, so there will be Monday, Tuesday, so on and so forth. Month name, that corresponds to January, February, so on and so forth. And then once I'm done doing that, I need a loop to start from month 1 onwards. Okay, so month 1 is month less than or equal to 12, and if that is the case, we keep incrementing our month. Okay, everything is pretty straightforward so far. Okay, so here's what I'll do. This is the part where I'll pause this video, because I'm basically mapping each month name with its corresponding, each month number with its corresponding month name. For a change, let me mention something. Let me do something that I've never done before, and that is to talk about something that is way ahead of what we're currently doing. Okay, you guys, there are data structures out there that are responsible for cases like these ones. Okay, like this one, okay. You see, if we could, what we would do, we would simply use a map data structure to store our numbers and their corresponding month names. I'm just telling you that so that in case you're that curious, you can do a research of your own on how does a map data structure work. Okay, problem is it works on objects, and objects are part of object-oriented program, which is something that we haven't covered yet. February. Okay, I'll keep continuing, folks. For now, I'll pause the video and then come back once I'm done. Okay, what I did is I've done two things, and that was to find the corresponding names for each and every one of these months, starting from 1 up to 12, and the corresponding day for each and every day, starting from day 1 up to day 7. Okay, There is absolutely nothing hard or rather complex about that. It's just that I thought it will speed up the process. Okay. Okay, now that we've got those two, let's continue. Hey, I'm planning on stopping now. People are yelling. I don't know why. Or maybe it's because they're writing. These are high school students I'm talking about. I don't know what's so exciting. They're making noise and that is super annoying. So it's gonna be month, name. I'm hoping people are clear what's going on here at the top, because this potion, I did not record it. Okay, I just wrote it. Okay, so it's month name. Of course we want a space. Okay, we wanna put 1 and year. Okay, now I'll go to the next line. Is let's put day name. Okay, and then finally this is the part. Oops, again noise. Okay, what else? Let's say, let me deal with all numbers. Months. If month is equals to short. Okay, if month is equals to you know what, let's try to do it in a different way. So if month mode 31 equals to 0, then we know that those are the months with 31 days. Okay, and I'll simply go day is equals to 1 plus. People are super annoying out here, and I don't know what could I possibly do to get rid of them. So I'll simply go plus 30. Again, if you don't get the logic here, sit down with the pen and the paper. Okay, and I'll show you. It will make more sense. I've got to typecast it. I've got to typecast that. Else if this is the case, so else if month is equals to 2, what I will then say, what I'll simply do is to go, instead of 30 there, I'll put 27. Okay, there was a dumbass mistake. The very first thing for us to do will be to determine whether or not a year is a leap year. Okay, and we can simply do that by saying we check if year mode 4 is equals to 0 and and year mode 100 is not equals to 0, or year mode 400 is equals to 0. If this is the case, immediately we know that we have a leap year. Okay, and in that case what we want to do, we want to put 28 there. Again, if you don't understand the logic, I dare you to sit down with the pen and the paper. Can I show you? It will make more sense. Okay, otherwise, if month mode 31 is equals to 0, we do that. And if so, basically this portion takes care of all numbers with all months with 31 days. And the second one takes care of February, and the last one is actually taking care of what? Of all months with 30 days. Okay. Oh, I'm exhausted now, but luckily for me, I'm almost there. I mean, that should be it. I don't know if I've missed anything, and if I did, we'll see in a moment, because right now I'm about to hit the run button. Let's try 2013. Let's try 2. Oops. Oh. January 1, 2013, so on and so forth for other months. Okay, let me check the last one. It's 1 December 2013. 1 December 2013 is Sunday. Oh gosh, I messed up somewhere, somehow. I messed up. It's supposed to be Monday, not a Saturday. It's supposed to be Sunday, I mean. Okay. And let's see the possibilities. Okay, I'll tell you in a sec what did I do wrong. Oh my god, I cannot believe I just did such a pathetic mistake. You see, I don't know, for some weird reason I assumed that month variable, which contains numbers from 1 to 12, it actually contains the number of days in a month. That's why my output is wrong. So I gotta do this the long way. I've gotta say, if month is equals to 1, or month equals to 3, or month is equals to 5. And I bet if we were in class, people would be raising hands now. I mean, people would have raised hands asking why did I mod by 30 there. So it's 157